How to use the voice changer tool on the YouCut video editor app. So let's say you recorded your voice on the video you're editing and now you want to sound different from what you usually sound like. As an example, let's say you are about to record your voice. So go ahead and look for the record tool and you'll see it. So I'll go ahead and record something. This is a video recording for YouCut video editor app. And then you'll stop it. So let's say you do like what you just heard, right? You'll see the voice changer tool right here to the left side, and you can tap on that and change your voice from here on. Or let's say you came out of here, you press the check mark, and now you want to go back and change your voice. So you did this here, you went about editing other parts, and you realize you want to change the voice for this audio recording piece here. So tap on it one time, these tools will appear, and you will go over to where it says voice changer. Once you tap on that here, you can now choose the voice that you want to sound like. It's not much, but it's all free.
This is a video recording.
This is a video recording.
And then once you're done with that, you press the check mark and you tap away and you press play. And then you can do this for every other recorded audio piece that you did using the YouCut video editor app. And of course, as always, make sure you have the latest update to get the best features available possible, like and sub.